Attention to typographic detail is one of the reasons we're going to work with optical margin adjustments. We're going to move this quote mark out to align with the left edge of this text. We're going to use a palette called Story. So we'll go up to the Type menu and we'll go down to Story. And here the Story palette comes up. We're going to use this optical margin alignment, and it should be off, but you will then click it on, and the default setting is deselected, and then you're going to click and click as much as you need to in order to make the quotation mark hang off the outer edge of the outside of the outer edge of this margin. So you can just keep clicking until you see that it has moved to the outer edge, and now it looks better. There are no hard and fast rules when you should or shouldn't use hanging punctuation, but this looks much better. And for any pull quotes, I'd like you to use hanging punctuation.